how to create a Supercell ID in Clash of Clans. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can create a Supercell ID in Clash of Clans. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to NetNimble, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first step is locate your Clash of Clans and then open it up. After you open up your Clash of Clans, let it load. And after it loads, you'll need to go to the game's setting. You'll find it on the bottom right above the shop. Tap on settings. And after you tap on settings, you'll find Supercell ID on the top of the settings. If you see disconnected, tap on that. After you tap on that, you will be on this section. Tap on next. Tap on next again. Or you can basically just tap on skip on the top right. So right here, if you already have an ID, you can log in, but this video is on creating a Supercell ID. So tap on create a new ID. After you do that, tap on continue. Then enter out your email address. So after you enter out your email address, you can tap on create. And after you tap on create, you'll be sent a verification code in your email. So head over to your email and then check out what the code is. So after you do that, simply type in the code right here. After you type in the code, tap on submit. Make sure you enter up the correct code. Now you can enter out your unique player ID. You can choose whatever you want. You can type it yourself or you can auto-generate. Then tap on continue. After you tap on continue, choose an avatar for yourself. Then tap on continue. And there we go. You have just created your Supercell ID. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.